Hello students, welcome to this short video which will teach you how to organize with folders in your Google Drive. Our first tip is to organize with folders by class. So at this time, you're going to log into your FCPS Google account and go to My Drive. You'll see that I have a lot of documents in my drive and they're not yet organized. This can make it really difficult to find things. What I'm going to do is make folders for each of my class periods. So in the top left here is the New button. I'll click that. And the very first option is Folder. Click that. You can add names for your folders like Art Class, English Class, Math Class. Another option is to put the period number in front. I like that option, so I'm going to call mine Period 1 Art Class. I'll go through my schedule. Period 2 Math Class. And I'll continue making folders as I look at my schedule. So take a moment at this time, click New, click Folder, and name each of your folders. The second tip for you is a motto to help you organize your work online. If not now, then when? What this motto means is more frequently, you should probably be doing things now. And if you're not doing things now, you need to pick a specific time that you know that you can get it done. So now I'm back in my Google Drive and I'll tell you what if not now then when means for me in Google Drive. So when I create documents, it's easiest to organize them into a folder right away. So I see that I have my art project here. Now that I've made my classes, I can click and drag the document into the correct class. I see I have an English poems collection. I can click and drag this into my English class folder. And last, here I have a math homework document. I can click and drag this into my math class. Go ahead and take some time now to look through your documents and click and drag them into the appropriate class folders. You've done a great job today organizing your folders and organizing the documents into folders, but today is just one day. So it's not always going to work now, so we need to have a specific time in mind and day to help us organize our Google Drive in the future. So with your routine for distance learning, it may be helpful for you to pick a day and time of day during the week to help you reorganize things. So for me, I like on Monday mornings to sit down and go through my Google Drive and Gmail to organize things. For you, you might like to do this on Fridays. Think about a day and time that might work best for you each week to sit down and organize what you have online. Thank you for taking some time to watch this video to help you organize your Google Drive. Happy organizing!